Hi, it's Ewan. I'm going to show you how to complete your e-checklist for the tax year ended 5th of April 2022. I'm going to log into Iris OpenSpace via our website. Onto the site, go to Client Space, then Iris OpenSpace, log in. If you forgot your login details, you can reset them, reset your password. Once you're into Iris OpenSpace, on the left-hand side, you can see e-checklist, and next to that, there is a 1. That indicates there's something in there. I'm going to press that, and then you can see the Income Tax Checklist 2022, which we're now going to complete. Once we're in here on the left-hand side, you can see that the boxes on each item are red, and they'll change to green once they're completed. So we're going to jump straight in and start completing it, and it's employment is the first one. This may be completed for you because we probably run your payroll, but if not, you would complete the details in here. Income for the year is 12,000 this year. It's important to put zeros in these. If you don't put a zero in it, then it will not complete. Then down to expenses. So we've completed all this, down to expenses. Use of home as office, £312. HMRC will allow you to claim £6 per week, irrespective if you've worked for 1 week or 52 weeks using your home as an office. So if you've used it at all, then you can claim the full £312. I'm going to complete that. Mark as answered, important box. Any additional information that you think we require, then you just complete that there. And next, on to the next item. You can see that employment now has a green tick against it. We're into dividends. In dividends, there's a share here, 1 share, and the dividend last year was £1.24. We're going to complete it this year, and we'll go back to, let's use the same date, 24th of March 2022. This year it was £5. Mark is answered. Any additional information, again, type anything in there that you think is relevant. Next. UK land and property. If you've got rental income, you would populate the information here, and we're going to have £7,000 of rent, £200 of repairs, and £600 of management charges. Mark is complete. Later on, we can see there's attachments here. I'll come to that in a bit, but in there you can attach any item that is important that you think we should have. There may be items in here that you should attach that we don't have, and you would do it in here at the end. Anyway, on to the next item, which is pension contributions. If you've made a personal pension contribution, then you need to notify us, and also you may have documentation that you should share with us so that we can see how and when the amounts were contributed. So in here, I've put £15,000 contribution, and we will mark it in here. It was on the 1st of January, 1st of Jan 2022, and I'll say see attachments, because we're going to add in this at a later stage. So in the attachments there may be the information from your financial advisor or whatever regarding this contribution. On to the next item, child benefit. In this year I received, say, £1,100, and it was for 1 child, and Mark is answered. Next. Income tax rates. Now, majority of our clients are going to be Scottish residents and Scottish taxpayers. If you're not, if you're UK, you would mark it as UK. If not, you mark that as Scottish. Mark is answered. Save. Now, we've completed what we need to here, but then we want to go further down into the attachments, and you may attach some files that you think are relevant, PDFs or emails or anything at all that you think we need to see. You would do that. And then the bottom box here is Finalize E-Checklist. And if we get in here, we tick the checkbox, we press Finalize, and then we press Finalize again. And that information is now going to flow through to us in order for us to complete your tax returns. Any problems, any queries, anything like that at all, then please just lift the phone. Thanks.